Good afternoon. Another day in the shop slash garage working on Veronica there. Gotta figure out what happened with the brakes. I got my other batteries all charging up because they don't last for nothing in the heat. But whilst I was taking apart, that fan is gonna wreak havoc on any audio that I might be able to get. While I was taking this off, I dropped my caliper and it clearly hit something on the brakes. Probably can't see nothing down there, but so it leaked out all the fluid out the reservoir. I gotta see if it's like the cloth connectors or the plastic bits and see what I have to order. Hopefully it's easy. Alright, so I'm back. I found out that the plastic, let me get you in there, is not broken. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. It's not broken down there, but these hoses, which don't even have any clamps on them, are like destroyed. So I need to find hoses, and I'll replace the ones up here as well. But what still baffles me is that this dropped, the caliper dropped, and it's not connected to any of that, and it still started leaking. So I don't know. I've seen where they say I can buy the plastic bits, but they all seem to be out of stock. So we gotta make some phone calls and play online and see what I can find. So I found the problem with the brakes. I didn't want to go sit in the house just yet, so I figured these out. The tires don't hold air for obvious reasons. There's a bunch of rust on there and on the wheel. Oh, that's messed up. But these are still just I'm testing out the tire changer, so on and so forth. I got the wheels. That one will end up being a spare. I got these all shined up, smooth, and ready to take. And then I'm just taking a wire wheel, lightly going around the edge, getting rid of all the rust. I put it back on, and she holds there. Sweet. Baby, I'll be in the garage. He's not even here. Hope you're having a good time in New York City. I'm got some of the parts so I can put a couple of things together. Waiting for a few more because I don't have steel laying around. But I'll get the duck head mounted up and get ready. A little at a time, I guess. Anyway, battery died right as I was starting. What I did is I had this. The only flat plate I got is from my old office chair bracket. I got that cut and drilled, and now I'll get it welded up. All right, so I put it on the ground now, so I'm gonna have a backstop so I'm not catching my house on fire.